Okay.
Let's start now.
I'm going to talk about the human evolution. All the species evolved from bacteria billion years ago. Because of this, we could say that we're from the same species as another animal because we developed from the same thing but just in different way and different time. We all understood how evolution occurs and process of evolution. It's really hard and terrible to study and to do research on this. And it's boring to talk about this. But because of studying and learning this, it does help people, human, us to find what are important and interesting in the human evolution. First, human was evolution from hominids. We look pretty much different. They look like monkey and gorilla. But through million years, because of some reason, they change. They adapt their environment and maybe some of them mutations or even genetic variations. Therefore, they have different traits and have different functions. Humans develop to walk by two legs and develop language. So second, I'm going to talk about the prediction that I make. Now in 2012, we have very terrible condition in our environment. Let's talk about the global warming. Through years and years, humans produce more and more carbon dioxide, while the temperature will keep increasing if we didn't stop. And it will cause death and disease a lot because it's too hard for human to survive. But people may change too. According to the Darwin's theory, the nature selection, if the temperature is way too high, that cause people death, maybe thousand or million years later, we'll have the ability to adapt the high temperature, and then we could have the super mutation skin to prevent from the ultraviolet radiation, or it could prevent from the 100 degrees of temperatures. Third, it's also caused from the global warming. As the time passed, the temperature is higher, and the ice will also melt faster. Maybe 1,000 or million years ago. Later, we could immerse in the water and die. But if human can occur mutation or adapt the environment through this evolution, maybe million years after, if their evolution succeeds, we could maybe have fin or gills to allow us to survive in the water, and we can survive in the water. These are all based on the nature selection, mutation, and the genetic path. It is possible to happen. However, these are all my personal prediction. Next, from the evolutionary theorist Oliver Curry from the London School, he said that human could become the chooser about their sexual partners and causing humanity to divide into subspecies. He predict human will split into two different groups. He also said that the human race will have reached its physical peak by year 3000. Dr. Curry said that in the near future, human will evolve in 1,000 years into giants between 6 feet and 7 feet. He predicts human can live for 120 years. And according to the Dr. Curry, the physical appearance, driven by the indicators of health, teenagers, and fertility, will improve. Therefore, men will have symmetrical facial features and deeper voice and better looking. Women, they will develop lighter, smooth, hairless, and large big eyes. But after 3000, human will start to regress because humans are too rely on the technology. So this is the time when people start to divide into two groups. The first group, the people who have the good DNA and the good traits, are the upper class. They're attractive, intelligent, and good looking. But for the other class, the underclass, the people who have the bad traits and bad DNA, and they look really ugly. Next, I'm going to talk about the social skills. The social skill, such as communicating and interacting with others, could be lost in the future. Along with emotions such as love, sympathy, trust, and respect, people would become less able to care for society or even close friends. People usually stay at home and play Tetris and Facebook. However, they lose their opportunity to social with others. Imagine the technologies in the future. It will be more advanced than now. People could really easily regress. In my conclusion, human species can evolve through natural selection or through breeding or genetic manipulation. Breeding and genetic manipulation is most probable for a few people in technically evolved countries. To stop evolve will cause the human species to regress, since natural selection is necessary to keep species healthy. People always have the great opportunity to explore the external world, but they usually choose to play computer in home. So I suggest people should go out more and keep our body healthy, more healthy. Then people could pass down good DNA and to keep evolve. Overall, human evolution is really important process for us to get better and to grow better. Thank you.